Hey everyone, welcome back to another short video where I just want to show you guys, if you are using the TSeller buy box, how you can upgrade your buy box limit. So with all the basic TSeller plans, you get 10 buy box reprices for free, and then you need to upgrade to an additional plan to get more reprices. So to do that, you're going to go to the menu bottom right, and then you're going to scroll down all the way till you see buy box tracking. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to scroll down where you have the buy box actions button, the blue one. You're going to click on that. And then all the way at the bottom, you have a manage tracking limit. So you can see my current usage is 33 out of 200, meaning I've got 33 buy boxes added and products that are repricing. And here you can see all the different plans that are available. So we have mini, which is 60 Rand a month for 20 offers. We have basic, which is 150 for 50 offers. We have starter, which is 300 Rand for 100 offers. We have the growth plan, which is 750 for 200 offers. And we have the pro plan, which is 1,500 for 500. And the max plan, which is 3,000 for 1,000 offers. And then we have a price on assessment. So let's say you want not 50 offers, you want 60 offers. Then what you do is scroll down all the way, click on contact support and reach out to us, and we will then give you a custom solution that will work out the price for you for 60 offers instead of 50. So you can do that. But if you want to upgrade to any one of these plans, you can just click on the upgrade button that will be right here. Mine says downgrade plan because I'm on a custom solution right now. All of the reprices are 6-minute frequency. Prices your products up, down, minimum and maximum prices are available, and then also a midnight reset. So we don't have any higher frequencies at the moment. We only have 6 minutes so that you can get the most competitive edge out of everything. And that's exactly how you upgrade your buy box limit plan. So that's all you have to do. It will work automatically, billing you through the app stores, exactly how your subscription goes off every month. So now that you know how to upgrade your plan, go ahead, get your plans upgraded, and start winning those buy boxes again.